In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get clients into rewards programs in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct sub-account. This is important because custom fields are created at the sub-account level, so you want to be in the exact account where you plan to track your client's rewards information. Once you're in the right sub-account, head over to Settings. You'll usually find this in the main navigation, and this is where you can manage the back-end details of how your CRM stores and organizes information. From the settings area, look over to the left-hand side and click on Custom Fields. This section allows you to create extra fields beyond the default contact information, which is especially useful if you want to track something specific like a loyalty or rewards balance. Next, click on Create Field. This opens the setup window for your new custom field. Here, you'll choose the type of field you want to use. Take a moment to select the field type that best fits how you want to store loyalty points. Since this field will be used to track rewards-related data, choosing the right structure here helps keep everything organized and easy to update later. After that, select Add to Object. This determines where the field will live inside Gohighlevel, so you're connecting it to the right kind of record. This step matters because it makes sure the loyalty points field appears in the appropriate place when you're viewing or managing client information. In the field name area, type in loyalty points. Using a clear and simple name like this makes the field easy to recognize for you and anyone else working inside the account. Then choose the folder name. This helps keep your custom fields grouped neatly, which is especially helpful if you plan to build out more fields for your rewards program later on. Now go ahead and add a description. A short description can clarify the purpose of the field, such as noting that it stores each client's current rewards balance. Even though this may seem optional, it can be very helpful for long-term organization. Next, set the default value. For a rewards program, this is often useful because it gives every new client a starting point in the system instead of leaving the field blank. You'll also be able to see the live preview. This is your chance to quickly review how the field will appear before saving it. So if anything looks off, you can adjust it now. Once everything looks right, click on Create Custom Field, and that's it. You've now created a loyalty points field in Gohighlevel, which gives you a simple foundation for tracking client rewards inside your CRM.